Hello lovelies, and welcome back to another video. Please excuse my voice as I am getting over a cold, so I do apologize if I still sound a little nasally. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe and welcome. Hector and I are starting to plan, and so I wanted to show you guys my dress. I didn't want a regular white dress. To me, it's overdone, and it's just kind of basic, and I don't know, I've never really been attracted to like the whole white dress thing. I decided on lavender because purple is one of my favorite colors. He also likes purple as well. He doesn't mind it, so we went with that. Got this dress from Hell Bunny, and I can link it down below. It's like a tulle. It is strapless, but what I want to do is I want to add on like some lace up on top here. It has like the silk underneath. It is like an A-line dress, so it does flare out. So it has like the zipper on the back. I'll just turn it over here. And it does have like this thing inside, this little strap right here. To kind of hold it, I guess. So the story with this is that I found it online and I knew I had to have it. Like even before we started planning or anything, I was like, I have to have this. They were having a sale, so I had to scoop it up right away before the sale ended because it was shipped from the UK. I thought I was going to get it done and over with so that way I wouldn't have to pay that much in international shipping either. I originally got an extra large just because I am well endowed in the chest area. So I thought I should probably kind of compensate for that. It is kind of like stiff in a way. They said to size up. I couldn't find any other reviews except for one who said that it was too small. I got it and I was so excited to try it on. It was so loose, you guys. Like up here, it was gapping so bad. In through here, through the waist, I kept having to push it up, pull it up from here because it was too loose. So I was like, well, shit, what am I gonna do now? And I was kind of heartbroken, and I was like, I had to think on it for a few days. I was like, okay, I'll exchange it, whatever, I'll do whatever, because this is like my dream wedding dress. I ended up paying almost $60 to have it exchanged. I did, I think, 10 to 14 day shipping for it to arrive back in England. Once it got there, the turnaround was really fast. It was like the next day they got a new one sent out to me. I got this one, and this one is a large, so I did size down, and it is a little bit snug through here, but that's okay. I can live with that. It's better than having it fall down. It does have kind of a funky smell when you take it out of the bag. It I don't know, it just smells like chemicals kind of. So I'm hoping that I can get rid of that smell somehow. I did show Hector the other day. I didn't put it on, of course, but I really don't believe in that superstition anyway, to be honest. Just so he knows what he's looking for when he gets his tux. Here it is in all its glory without the lace, but we will get there eventually. I didn't want a expensive dress because I knew we had to focus on the venue and everything else. This was $50, and then shipping was only $7, which was actually really surprising. So all in all, I got it for $57. I honestly don't think there's no rhyme or reason to get a $2,000 dress. I am kind of doing a budget wedding. I'll go ahead and put in a picture also, so that way you can see it on the actual model. So it is June 4th today, which means that I passed the 365 day mark. Is less than a year that I will be married. I cannot even believe that. That's crazy. I've gotten some accessories off of Amazon, and I wanted to share those with you guys. I have not seen them yet, so
Today is gonna be kind of like an unboxing kind of thing. So I'm not sure what's in each of these packages. I guess we will just see. Well, it's like a mystery box. It's like Christmas. This first one. Oh, this is my birdcage veil. Yay. I already knew that I didn't want a regular veil. I looked around at like Hobby Lobby and Michael's and stuff, and they had some that were okay, but they weren't exactly what I was looking for. Okay, wow, this is really pretty, you guys. Be gentle here because don't know what's gonna happen. So it has like the little feathers on top, and it even has like the little pearls in the center. Oh my god, I didn't notice that when I bought it. How adorable is that? So I don't know if you can see closer. Like a little clip on the back here, which makes it really nice. So I don't know if I want my hair up or down. So that's why I kind of got some of my accessories early, so that way I could kind of plan out how I want it. And it might have to sit out for a while because it's been in the package and it's all kind of, it just keeps kind of wanting to go up. I'm actually really impressed with this. It says just Cloud City on it. I'll link it down below. All of the stuff will be linked down below. Next in the bag here, what do we got? And we have my pearl necklace. I knew I wanted a pearl necklace also, some sort of jewelry. And this matches well since the birdcage veil has pearls in it also. It comes in like this little pouch thing, so that's nice. Let's see, so this is like a clasp of some sort. Let me see how to do this. I've never had, oh, okay. And wow, the struggle is real today, guys. The struggle is real. 1 second. Okay, so I got it on temporarily. I don't really like that clasp that they have on there, so I think I might replace that. I thought it was kind of going to be longer, to be honest. So yeah, my shirt is kind of in the way. That's okay. I think this is a good length. I'm not mad at it. Overall, I really like how the pearls look sitting on my neck there, and I think that they will go perfect with my dress. Time for package number 2. Okay, so I was supposed to get this sign. So let me see what's happening with this, because right now it just has a blank piece of cardboard and a white thing on the back. Also did get this sign, but stupid me, when I was reading the description, I didn't realize that it was just a print, even though it does state on there. I'll insert a little thing here as well so you guys can see the description. But all I saw was vintage chalkboard, and I was like, oh, that's exactly what I want. So I went and ordered it because I needed something for free shipping. Then I got it yesterday and I was like, what the hell is this? Because I thought it was going to be like one of those chalkboard sign things. But then I went back and looked at it, and it does say that it is a print. So that was a user error on my part. So just be forewarned to make sure to read all of the descriptions on there. What I'm going to do probably is just get a frame for this. Just like a simple, maybe like silver or white frame, and call it a day. So I'm not really angry about it, because it's just gonna be for one day. So the last thing that I have right now is my heels. I did see these and I knew I had to have them. I'm so excited to see what they look like and how they fit. The last thing that I am still waiting for is my bouquet, and I can put a picture up here, but I guess it's being shipped from China. of all places. It probably won't be in until the end of the month. This was the last thing that I recently received, is my heels. They are from Betty Page Shoes, and they are called the Heather Spectator Pump. So I do have several other pairs of Betty Page shoes. They typically don't have half sizes. I think one of my pairs might be a 7, and they are kind of big. So with this, they only had them in a size 6. I was like, well, okay, I'll just go for it. There's a limited amount available. I believe currently right now they did sell out. They do come like in the box with like the packaging on it. So it is wrapped up pretty good, so that's good to know. Oh my gosh, you guys, they're so pretty. I like these white kind of shell, well, not really shell, I don't even know like what the design is. Is it a shell? I don't know. They have like the little heel in the back. Aww, that's cute. Look at the inside. I didn't notice this before. So they have like little lace on the side. The sole is squishy, so it does have some kind of comfort. Did get the heels on, and they do feel comfortable when I walk around. I don't know why, but it looks like that my big toe, it's kind of hanging over. Can see that. So that's my one kind of little irritation. I don't know if it's super noticeable. Right here, it should be out a little bit more. So I think it should be over a little bit more, like over here, and I think it should come out just a little bit more. So this part is kind of short right here, which I did read in one of the reviews on there, but I was like, I have small feet, it shouldn't be a problem. The box is that it comes with 2 extra little things for your heels in case they come off or you lose it or whatever. So that's nice that they sent some extra pieces. Looking at some other ones, I think her name is like Rachel Simpson or something, where they had heels similar to this, but they were over $200, and I couldn't justify or fathom buying heels for that much for one day. This was a dupe that I found for those shoes. Out of all the things that I received, the birdcage veil was my favorite, and it did not disappoint. It definitely had some extra aspects that I was definitely not expecting. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.